Hey y'all. Good morning. It's Mama Amir. Jumping in for a minute to give a little court update as I promised I would start to do, even if it was nothing to report. And sadly, there's nothing much to report today. I went to court today for TAKAHI Shelby. And if you remember Amir's case, TAKAHI Shelby was the young lady's house that he was over on Rocky Reefs. She was involved in pretty much setting him up to be kidnapped. And so we were at court for her today. There's really nothing left in her case. She's being charged with felony kidnapping. Sorry. We're really just waiting on a trial date for her. But her attorney is dead set on her being tried last. So they just set it off to be continued because, again, there's really nothing else, that needs to be done. In her case, it's just, it's time for us to set a trial date. And I don't know why we're not setting one and going to get hers done. I guess that would be questions for lawyers. That's really the update on her. She is currently on house arrest with a monitor. She is out on bond. I can't really go into detail as to why we agreed to that, but just trust me when I say that it was the best option of the two that we had. So she is currently home and not in Garland County Detention Center, but she is on house arrest until her trial is over. Are they charging every person involved? Yes, everybody is being charged that is involved. TAKAHI is the only one being charged with felony kidnapping. The rest are being charged with felony kidnapping and capital murder. So, yes, everybody is being charged. I go to court for everyone else. The other three always go to court together, and I go to court for them next month on the 18th for all of them. So hopefully everybody's doing what they need to do during this time, and we're getting closer to trial because I'm tired. It's been a long 2.5 years, and I'm just ready, to get justice for Amir and then, try to really start the healing process and moving forward. So, yeah, I didn't have really much to report today. It might be like this for the next couple court appearances. It may just be continuances and nothing much to report. But as I promised, I'll still update you guys. You have been on this long journey with me for 2.5 years now. Me and my children were just talking about you guys the other day and just how y'all have all been so loyal. You've been right there sending me little messages, prayers, thoughts for 2 years straight. Y'all have not folded. So we just cannot thank you enough, Amir's Army. And we don't thank you enough. And so I do want to take this time to just thank all of you and just let you know how much your prayers and your thoughts and your love has just really been more than I can really express. You've taught me so much about humanity and good people and kindness and patience, pure love, You guys love me and I'm a stranger, and so I cannot thank you enough for that. So, and as much, like I say, you guys deserve to know as much as I know. Because Amir now is as much y'all sons as it is mine. And y'all nephews and brothers, sisters. Y'all all his aunties. So I want to do that. And anybody got any questions for me before I go? And I will answer as much as I can. Like I say, I don't really have that much to report today. I'm getting ready to now go to Morgan Nick's missing persons event that Miss Colleen throws every year. I definitely won't miss that. You know, I always support Miss Colleen. I'll always be there for her. So that's where we're headed to next. When are the other trial dates? We haven't got any trial dates yet, but we go back to court for the other 3 next month, July the 18th. We don't know when yet we're going to trial. The prosecutor is hopeful that we set some trial dates by mid-September, October of this year. That's the hope. That's the prayer. Yeah. Well, if nothing else, guys, I'll be back. Probably when I get to Miss Colleen's event. It's such an amazing event that she puts together for families who still have loved ones missing, families who had loved ones missing but are now found. It's so resourceful. You know, if you know anyone, if you are someone that has had a loved one that has been missing or is missing, please reach out to me so I can get you connected. Miss Pauline, what she does with Morgan Nick's Foundation it's what every family needs when they go through something like this, trust me. So there's some good stuff there. I found strength there. So anything else? Any other questions?
Yes.
Yes, Kingston.
I was just doing that to annoy you.
That's Kingston. Everybody want to say hi to Elijah?
No.
Hey, y'all.
Elijah says hi. All right, guys. Well, thank you for popping in with me. I'll be back with some more stuff to talk about. Don't forget, I'm about to start telling my story, so stay tuned for that. It's going to be a roller coaster ride, but it's got to be done. I love you guys. Y'all have a good day.